Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to showcase Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to use Redmi mobile screen recording setting. Friends, you want to use Redmi mobile screen recording setting. So friends, now let's see how to use Redmi mobile screen recording setting. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you want to use screen recording, how to use screen recording. So then first of all we will select screen recording video quality. Okay, how to set screen recording video quality? First of all we will turn on mobile setting. After turn on mobile setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, scroll down here and open your phone additional setting. After turn on additional setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, date and time setting, language setting you want to use, so you can use accessibility setting, gesture shortcut setting, one hand mode, screen recorder setting, you can use it. So friends, if you tap here one hand mode friends, you don't know how to one hand mode, so you can on and you can use your one hand mode setting. You can check how to use this one hand mode setting. Screen recorder setting, if you tap here, so you can use your screen recording setting in your Redmi mobile. Friends, you can see video quality, you want to change, you want to set your screen recording video quality, so you can set and you can change video quality in screen recording. Last friends, you can set here 60 mbps and starting from 1 mbps. So friends, I will set here only 4. Screen recording sound, friends, you want to mute your screen recording sound and you want to on your screen recording mic sound and you want to use screen recording system sound, so you can use and you can on and you can off your screen recording sound. Frame rate you can set and you can change frame rate also. Now friends, how to screen recording? After setup screen recording sound and video quality, swipe down here as you can see screen recording icon. If you tap here and tap on this red button, you can start screen recording in Redmi mobile. Then screen recording will start. You can use screen recording in Redmi mobile. Friends, you can see you want to use screen recording, so you can use screen recording setting in Redmi mobile. Dark mode you can on, you can off your dark mode setting in Redmi mobile. So friends, again if you tap here this red button, so friends your screen recording will stop. You can check notification. If you tap here, you can check your screen recording video and you can see friends, you can see I don't have any screen recording sound because before start the screen recording I mute the sound. So like that friends, you can see we can do screen recording in Redmi mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. If in doubt, have any problem, so friends you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends. And friends, you want to edit your screen recording, so open your gallery and you can edit your screen recording video. Bye.